Are robotics and AI the only way to save a global supply chain facing massive labor shortages? The vertical mobility sector is answering with a resounding yes. In 2026, the elevator industry is undergoing a radical digital transformation, fueled by a 2025-2026 macro environment seeing robust GDP growth of up to 5.1%. Mitsubishi Electric is aggressively expanding, securing the two Sudirman Jakarta complex and acquiring Irish firm Infinity Lifts to lock in European recurring revenue. Meanwhile, TK Elevator is shaking the financial sector, actively exploring a blockbuster IPO following a €23 billion valuation from Alet, presenting a massive pure-play liquidity event for investors. But the true disruption is happening on the installation front, where industry leaders are bypassing severe labor bottlenecks. To solve these exact challenges, Hitachi deployed a digital guide rail adjustment device, and Schindler is fighting back with its autonomous RISE robot. The direct impact? A 30% faster time to revenue and drastically reduced variable labor costs. Simultaneously, KONE is deepening its AWS integration, shifting from reactive to predictive inventory logistics.
We move 2 billion people on our elevators and escalators every day. And this is almost a quarter of the entire world population. The innovations we do today could impact how you and I will live in cities in the future. It's like climbing a mountain that no one has done before, so really nothing beats that.
By flagging component degradation before failure, supply chain managers can slash warehouse overhead and reduce downtime to near zero. OTIS is also transforming logistics, deploying connected Gen 3 systems in central Tokyo and utilizing transport robots for automated material flow inside smart factories. According to Next Move Strategy Consulting Analysis, the global elevator market is projected to reach $148.2 billion by 2030. This represents a massive long-term expansion, registering a steady CAGR of 6.51%. Regionally, the Asia-Pacific sector remains the absolute volume leader, commanding over 50% of the global market share through rapid multifamily housing and smart city initiatives. However, North America is operating as the undisputed modernization hub, valued at over $15.22 billion globally in 2026. The US and Canada are aggressively retrofitting aging real estate to meet strict new safety and energy efficiency regulations. From APAC smart volume to North American green retrofits, the vertical mobility landscape offers unprecedented upside for informed B2B investors. Read the full report at Next Move Strategy Consulting. Link in description. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more market intelligence.